Medical Nanotechnology, Advanced Topics and Applications. Introduction. Welcome to the lecture on Advanced Topics in Medical Nanotechnology. In this session, we will delve into the fascinating world of magnetic nanoparticles and their diverse applications in imaging, biosensing, drug delivery, and theranostics. We will explore cutting-edge techniques such as magnetic particle imaging, multimodal imaging probes, magnetic resonance fingerprinting, and many others. By the end of this session, you will have a comprehensive understanding of the potential of magnetic nanoparticles in revolutionizing healthcare. One important aspect is the surface modification of magnetic nanoparticles to improve their stability, biocompatibility, and targeting capabilities. This can be achieved by coating them with various materials such as polymers or antibodies. Additionally, the synthesis methods used to produce magnetic nanoparticles directly impact their properties and performance. Techniques like co-precipitation, thermal decomposition, and hydrothermal synthesis offer control over size, shape, and crystal structure. Furthermore, understanding the interactions between magnetic nanoparticles and biological systems is crucial. It involves considerations like the formation of protein corona, cellular uptake mechanisms, and potential toxicity. Lastly, various imaging modalities can benefit from magnetic nanoparticles, including magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, magnetic particle imaging, MPI, and magnetic hyperthermia. Each technique relies on the unique magnetic behavior of nanoparticles to enhance imaging contrast or enable targeted therapy. By considering these advanced topics, medical professionals can better leverage the potential of magnetic nanoparticles for imaging in clinical settings. Magnetic particle imaging, MPI, is a novel imaging modality that allows for high-resolution, real-time imaging utilizing the unique properties of magnetic nanoparticles. It offers several advantages over traditional imaging techniques such as MRI, CT, and PET. MPI has the potential to revolutionize the field of medical imaging by providing faster, safer, and more sensitive imaging capabilities. Multimodal imaging probes combine different imaging techniques to provide complementary information about a particular disease or condition. By incorporating magnetic nanoparticles into these probes, enhanced imaging capabilities can be achieved. We will explore the design, synthesis, and applications of multimodal imaging probes in various medical scenarios. Magnetic nanoparticles can be functionalized with biomolecules and used as biosensors for detecting specific molecules or biomarkers in biological samples. This capability opens up exciting possibilities for early disease diagnosis and monitoring treatment response. We will discuss the principles and applications of magnetic nanoparticles in biosensing and molecular imaging. Magnetic particle tracking, MPT, is a non-invasive imaging technique that utilizes magnetic nanoparticles as tracers to monitor cellular behavior and drug distribution within the body. We will delve into the principles of MPT and explore its applications in tracking therapeutic nanoparticles and monitoring targeted drug delivery. Magnetic nanoparticles possess several distinctive characteristics that render them highly suitable for targeted drug delivery and theranostic purposes. In this section, we will delve into the intricate processes of designing and synthesizing drug delivery systems using magnetic nanoparticles. By leveraging the magnetic properties of these nanoparticles, we can significantly enhance targeted therapies while simultaneously minimizing undesirable side effects. This multifunctional approach holds great promise in revolutionizing the field of medicine and improving patient outcomes. Magnetic resonance fingerprinting, MRF, is an emerging imaging technique that enables simultaneous mapping of multiple tissue properties with high precision. We will explore how magnetic nanoparticles play a role in enhancing the capabilities of MRF and advancing the field of quantitative imaging. SPMR takes advantage of the superparamagnetic behavior of nanoparticles, wherein magnetic moments randomly fluctuate in the absence of an external magnetic field. When exposed to a magnetic field, these nanoparticles align and exhibit enhanced relaxation properties, which can be measured using specialized techniques. In the context of medical imaging, SPMR offers significant advantages such as high sensitivity and specificity. By conjugating specific targeting moieties to magnetic nanoparticles, it is possible to selectively bind and detect disease-specific biomarkers. This holds great promise for early disease detection, as well as monitoring disease progression and response to treatment. Overall, SPMR represents a promising tool in the field of medical nanotechnology, with potential applications in various disease areas. Further research and optimization are necessary to fully exploit its capabilities and translate it into clinical practice. Magnetic nanoparticles, which are tiny particles with magnetic properties, can be used as sensors for diagnosing diseases at the point of care. These nanoparticles can be designed to specifically interact with disease biomarkers in the body, allowing for sensitive and rapid detection of diseases such as cancer or infectious diseases. By using specialized techniques, these magnetic nanosensors can provide real-time information about the presence and progression of diseases, providing healthcare professionals with actionable insights for timely treatment decisions. The development and utilization of magnetic nanosensors hold great promise in revolutionizing point-of-care diagnosis, improving patient outcomes, and advancing personalized medicine. Magnetic Resonance Guided Focused Ultrasound, MRGFUS, utilizes the integration of focused ultrasound and MRI imaging to enable accurate and instantaneous visualization. The application of magnetic nanoparticles in MRGFUS has shown promise in improving the efficacy of non-invasive therapeutic interventions for a range of medical conditions. These nanoparticles possess unique magnetic properties that allow for enhanced targeting and delivery to specific areas of interest. By leveraging the precise control of focused ultrasound and the real-time monitoring capabilities of MRI, MRGFUS with magnetic nanoparticles offers a potential breakthrough in medical treatment. This approach holds great potential for the advancement of non-invasive therapies in the field of medical nanotechnology. Understanding the interactions between magnetic nanoparticles and biological systems is crucial for their successful application in medicine. We will explore the biophysicochemical interactions at the nano-bio interface and discuss the challenges and opportunities associated with the use of magnetic nanoparticles in biomedical applications. Hybrid imaging techniques, combining multiple imaging modalities, have gained significant attention in recent years. We will explore the synergy between magnetic nanoparticles and other imaging modalities such as fluorescence, ultrasound, and photoacoustic imaging, and showcase their potential in improving diagnostic accuracy and treatment outcomes. In conclusion, the application of magnetic nanoparticles in medical nanotechnology has revolutionized the field of imaging, biosensing, drug delivery, and theranostics. From magnetic particle imaging to hybrid imaging techniques, we have explored how these versatile nanoparticles are transforming healthcare by enabling faster, more precise, and targeted diagnostics and treatments. As research in this field continues to progress, we can anticipate even more exciting developments and breakthroughs in the future.